Hello stock gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day or night wherever you are in the world. Today's the 26th of July. We're going to be looking at Tesla. The ticker on the New York Stock Exchange is TSLA. We're going to check out the price of Tesla on the technicals, try to predict where it's going to go for the next few months, the next few weeks, and today's trading day, the 26th of July. It is the Q2 earnings week this week. We have mega earnings coming up for a lot of the big companies. The Microsoft, the Google, the Facebook, the Amazon, the Boeing, all the stocks that we buy and love are coming out this week. So I'm going to make lots of stock videos this week. We're going to look at all the technicals, the fundamentals, look at the earnings and what we could see is going to happen for those earnings weeks. Today's earnings week after the close will be Tesla's Q2 results. And I'm expecting huge bullish news for Tesla. They've got gigafactories building all over the world. They're sold out in a lot of countries. They've been selling like crazy in China. I'm expecting mega results for Q2 earnings for Tesla, and it's going to spike up the price in my opinion. We're going to go into the technicals, try to predict what Tesla's going to do next. I'm going to show you step exactly where I think Tesla is going to go. Everything you're going to see in this video, if you've been losing money in the stock markets, if you've been buying stocks and you're just randomly buying and you don't know the exact prices to buy and sell, or if you've been watching this channel and seeing all the gains we've been making and you want to learn how to take the Stock Guru Master Course, join the other 2,000 students. The links are in the description and pinned comment, www.stockguru.us. Make sure you take this knowledge, learn with my 2,000 other students. If you're not one of my subscribers yet, hit the subscribe button, the bell, the thumbs up button. Let's get to 50,000 subscribers. I think we're hitting it today, which is going to be amazing. We're going to look at the Tesla, look at the technicals, then look at the news in Tesla and see if there's any major news coming up. And the main thing is the Q2 results. Usually I don't like buying stocks before quarterly earnings. Usually you have a pullback on quarterly earnings. If the quarterly earnings aren't amazing, the price drops strongly. But I really believe Tesla is going to show stellar results with their deliveries and their profits. And this is going to send up the price skyrocketing for Tesla. So pay attention, watch this video, watch through to the end to see my exact targets for Tesla. You're going to learn a lot in this video, but you have to take the course to really understand what I'm doing. If you've made money from me, if you've learned from me, if you've made money from my videos, please leave a comment below. Let the other students know how to make money, that I'm truly teaching and that my teachings are very powerful. Let them know your experience in the comments. And if you can share this video with your friends, your family, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, tell them to all subscribe. Tell them to follow this channel so I can help as many people reach financial freedom as possible. My goal is to have 5 million students take my courses. 5 million students taking my courses. If each of them have 2 kids, that means I'm helping 10 million children have better lives, better education, better food, a stable life, stable incomes. Instead of their parents gambling and wasting their money, they're going to learn how to invest properly, how to grow their investments, grow their money so they can provide better for 10 million children. And that's my goal. If you are a parent, get your kid the Stock Guru Master Course as well, so they start investing right now while they're young. That gives them time. Instead of buying drugs, alcohol, partying, they're going to put that money into the stock markets. I have many young students, ages 16 years old. I have many old students, 75-year-old, 80-year-old grandparents. So everyone can take this. Get it for your kids so they start learning right now how to invest and they won't waste their money. They'll start putting it into stocks like Tesla. This is James from Stock Guru. Let's jump into the technicals for Tesla now.
Hello Stock Guru. So now we're jumping to the technicals for Tesla. I'm using tradingview.com here. The cryptocurrency marketplace is just pumping. Big congratulations if you followed my live trades. The join button down below on your phone. We've been buying up crypto like crazy the last few months of this bear market. Matic up 17% today. Hot up 15%. Doge up 13%. If you followed my buy videos at 17 cents, that was just amazing call. NEO up 10%, Ethereum Classic up 9%, One up 10%. Huge gains in the crypto space. SPX up 9.7%. Bitcoin up 8.4%. If you followed my live trades, we were buying Bitcoin at 29,700 5 days ago. 29,700. We're already up $9,000, almost $9,000 in 5 days. So big congratulations, anyone that followed my live trades on the join button. $9,000 in 5 days. If you followed my Bitcoin video yesterday, it hit my target of $39,000. I made the video at 34,000, warning that it's going to go up to 39,000. We hit it in 12 hours. Kusuma up 10%, Ethereum, DOT up 7%, Ethereum up 7%. We've been buying a lot of Ethereum in the $1,800, $1,900 range, so big congratulations. The crypto marketplace went up $1 billion today, everyone. It went up $1 billion in the last day, just the last 24 hours. XLM up 6% in the entire space. BNB, big congratulations. We were buying BNB at $214. We bought it multiple times on the dips in the 200. Anytime BNB gets into 200, 250 range, I buy more of it. But today we're going to be looking at Tesla. The crypto space is just pumping. I'm so proud, everyone. I also made a video on the NASDAQ yesterday. Check out that video yesterday on the NASDAQ. It is looking like the NASDAQ is going to try and make all-time highs again. It broke all-time highs on Friday, and I'm very bullish the NASDAQ, expecting a blow off top. But today we're going to be looking at Tesla. So if you're looking at these charts and you're panicking, you're going, oh my God, what is this? Don't panic. I'm going to teach you how, just like I've taught almost 50,000 subscribers on this channel. If you're not yet one of my subscribers, hit the subscribe button, the bell, the thumbs up button so you're notified of these daily videos. Get me to 50,000 subscribers. If I've helped you make money or learned something from me in the stock space or the cryptocurrency space, let other new users, new viewers know in the comment section. Tell them how much I've taught you, what I've taught you, how much gains you've made, what I've helped you buy. Let them know in the comment section so they can also be learning about this knowledge as well. So this is Tesla. If you're looking at these charts panicking, don't. I'm going to teach you how, just like I taught 50,000 students. I have 2,000 students taking my courses. You can take the Stock Guru Master Course at www.stockguru.us. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. This is when Tesla IPO'd back here in 2011. It IPO'd at a price of $3.48. Tesla went from $3.48 to $643, everyone. $643. That's about what is that? 2 times would be $6. 20 times would be $60. 200 times, everyone. 200 times your investment, meaning if you invested $1,000 here, you have $200,000 here. If you invested $10,000 here, you have $2 million here. That's the power of stocks and why you should really pay attention to this. So this is Tesla. If you followed me on Twitter, I was warning everyone to start buying Tesla urgently in 2015, back here when Tesla was about $80 before the split. Now, after the split, we're sitting at around $3,500. The overall trend of Tesla, massively trending up. Volume predicts price, and we've had huge volume coming into Tesla, especially in 2020 when we were buying. If you followed these videos in May on this channel, I was telling you to urgently buy Tesla at $200. Now we're $643, 300% gains from that. So amazing gains, everyone. Now on the monthly, what's happening? Now we're going to try and predict what's going to happen to Tesla for the next few months using these indicators. I teach you how to set up this in the Stock Guru Master Course, www.stockguru.us. You learn how to set up volume, stochastic, RSI, squeeze mob indicators. You also learn how to set up the Stock Guru bot, which fired a buy for Tesla back here. It fired a buy for Tesla in December 2019. It fired a buy. We went from $87 all the way up to $900, and it's still blue. It still has a buy for Tesla. It hasn't turned red. Volume spiked up in 2020 massively, and volume has dropped down for Tesla. However, the overall trend of volume is still massively trending up, and volume predicts price. The trend is your best friend and massively trending up on the price also. RSI and stochastic were overbought, especially in 2020, very overbought, and they were coming down. But now the stochastic is turning to head back up. The RSI is still trying to come down, and the squeeze mob is still trying to come down, and the volume trying to come down. So Tesla could come down more. However, in my opinion, Tesla doesn't seem, since 2020, every time it's got into a 61 RSI, it's being bought up like crazy at the 61 on the RSI. And right now we're sitting on the RSI at 67. So it's getting close to its buying ranges, everyone. The Stock Guru bot fired a buy back here in 2020. And we went all the way up to 700, and we're still in the blue. Now, where is it going to go next? Volume dropping, stochastic coming down, RSI coming down, squeeze mob losing pressure. We could come down more, but in my opinion, the RSI is very close to buying ranges, so I wouldn't be shorting Tesla. The overall trend is still intact, and if Tesla keeps following up this trend, by 2023, Tesla will be sitting in the 1,000+ range. By September 2020, we'll be in the $1,000 range for Tesla. It keeps following up this trend line. But let's see where it goes next. It is forming a large, it's a bull flag. We've got a flagpole here. We've got a bullish descending wedge here. And the way they work, they break out to the base of the wedge, which would put us at $885 on Tesla if it does break out to those targets. That would be going into, that breakout would occur in October 2021. So let's zoom out now and click on the, zoom closer on the daily. And we're going to see what's going to happen to Tesla for the next few months. Now, this is the path that I drew for Tesla. I drew it back here in 13th of July, and it's followed that path exactly. It fell down from that 696, and it's coming down towards 620 like I predicted. RSI coming down, stochastic coming down, squeeze mob is building pressure, and volume is dropping off a little bit, but still huge volume. Squeeze mob is building pressure, RSI and stochastic still coming down, but they are close to oversold now. The best time to buy Tesla, as I teach you in the Stock Guru Master Course how to use these indicators to know when to buy and sell. But in my opinion, Tesla is still trying to drop. Now, it can either come down to 620 and then make buying ranges there, and then we start moving up, or it could start moving up from here, or it could come down possibly to 530. I wouldn't say it would come to 530, but 549 is possible. It could do we could either turn up here and break out towards that 885 or come down to 549, build up pressure, and then break out in October. But either way, by October, I am expecting Tesla to make its moves towards 885. So me personally, I'm DCAing into Tesla and buying as much of it as I can, because in the long run, I am very bullish Tesla. There is also a giant cup and handle forming here on Tesla. Cup and handles, as I teach you in the Stock Guru Master Course, all 2,000 students, make sure you go back through the course and take the updated technicals. A cup and handle formation is a very bullish pattern that breaks out to the base of the cup to the direction of the trend. So right now we have a cup and handle forming here, and it's already formed the handle. We've got the cup, we've got the handle formed, and that's bullish for a breakout towards the 696, 700, and 779. These yellow targets are my targets. The red tags are my supports. So in my opinion, the cup and handle formation is very bullish, and Tesla could start to break out even today towards 696, 704, and 747. So I will be buying Tesla today. The RSI and the stochastic are showing they're coming down lower, but the squeeze mob is building pressure, and we do have volume. It could possibly come to 620, but I'm going to buy some at 643, 620, and if it even comes down to 549, I'll buy some more. But I am expecting by October that we are going to head up towards the $800 mark, 885, those yellow targets. In my opinion, Tesla I think it's going to come down to 620, bounce off there, move up, and then move out towards the $800 into October. But I am going to buy some today and buy more if it drops down lower. DCA is always the best strategy. As I teach you in the Stock Guru Master Course, dollar cost average, DCA. Take the course, join my 2,000 other students, learn when to exactly buy and sell stocks, exactly know the exact price, when you should be buying and selling based off technical analysis, learn fundamental analysis. I'm the only teacher that teaches both technical and fundamental analysis combined. And in my opinion, that's what's going to happen to Tesla going into September, October. By October, reaching all-time highs and going towards that 885 mark. And that's the path. That yellow dotted line is my path for Tesla. Let's zoom in one more time. And I want to also say that about in beginning of July, the Stock Guru bot turned to a buy, everyone, and we went blue. Here you can see the Stock Guru bot. Here was the original buy when if you followed the Stock Guru bot in my channel back in last year in May. If I had a buy back here in April, we turned blue, and we went from $200 all the way to $900. The Stock Guru bot calling it amazing. Then it fired a sell, and we dropped from $900 all the way down to $600. And now about 2 weeks ago, it fired a buy again, everyone. It fired a buy again. So in my opinion, especially with this cup and handle formation, Tesla is looking very bullish for a breakout towards the 885. The targets are 696 target 1, 704 target 2, 747 target 3, and 779 target 4. Those are my targets for Tesla, and I am looking like it is bullish. The only thing is the RSI and stochastic and volume coming down, so it could fall down to 620 or even 549, but I don't think so. I think it's going to come to 620, bounce, and then head up strongly. We have a major support line there at the 620, so I will be buying more Tesla at those prices. That's what's happening going into October. Let's zoom in closer now. We're going to click here, zoom into the 1 hour to see what's happening to Tesla for today's trading day, Monday's trading day. And on Monday's trading day, which is the 26th of, is it 26th of, yes, 26th of July. Let's see what's happening. We have RSI and stochastic turning down on the hourly. So now each of these candles are 1 hour. Before, each of these candles were 1 month, then 1 day, now 1 hour. Squeeze mob is building pressure. RSI is making higher lows, and so is the stochastic. They're making higher lows, everyone, and so is the price. So that's bullish. Even though the stochastic and the RSI are turning down, they're edging up over time, which is bullish, and volume is coming in. Now, it is possible that we come down to the 620 like I predicted, but I'm going to buy some here today, and then if 643, and then some at 620 if it does drop down, because I am very bullish Tesla for the long run. I believe we could 500% on Tesla for it to become into the price ranges of the Apple, the Google, and in my opinion, it is looking very bullish. That's the path. I think that it is possible Tesla comes down to 620 today, then starts to move up, but I'm going to buy some here on the expectation that we break out early and we start heading up to the $800 mark going into September, October, etc. Let's jump into Twitter, see if there's any major news for Tesla. So now we're in my Twitter, everyone. You can follow me on Twitter, Stock Guru. Make sure my name and face matches and the name matches. You can become one of my 2,000 students taking the Stock Guru Master Course at www.stockguru.us. The link is in the description and pinned comment. You learn how to invest in stocks and cryptos from your phone. I'll show you the website for the Stock Guru Master Course, www.stockguru.us. This is about me. You can learn about me. I became a millionaire with stocks and crypto trading. I'm here to help you become one. You can join my almost 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, the bell, the thumbs up button so you're notified of these daily videos. We made 4,800% gains on this channel. We made 700%. We made way more actually if you've been following my trades, because we've been buying and selling and day trading also. We bought Bitcoin 700% this year, Ethereum 1,100%, Doge 3,300%, Tesla 300%, Twitter 150%, Disney 150%. We just made mega gains this year. More than 2,000 students are now taking my course. 20 millionaire students we have in the chat room. I've been investing for 18 years. You can learn about me and what I do, read about me. The Stock Guru Master Course is $333 and it includes the Stock Guru bot. You can click buy now and then go to the Gumroad site and check out. The Cryptocurrency Master Course is now live as well. Learn about crypto, it's very important. And big congratulations anyone that bought Bitcoin at 29,000, booyah. We have the YouTube membership section. The join button is on your phone for that. You see my live trades. If you join the YouTube membership section, join button on your phone, YouTube will pop up and alert you every time I make a trade in my portfolio. You'll see the limit price, targets for my trade, reason for my trade, and my stop losses. Live chat room, we have a 24/7 live chat room where you can talk to other investors and trade and learn from each other. There's 100+ investors in there and you can talk during market hours to learn to invest and trade. It's $49 a month. FAQ, you can learn about me and what I do. These are some of the reviews from my students. Stay fly, my portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James. I'm in the process of buying a $2 million house. Your course is amazing. I'm buying a villa in Punta Cana. Bought a Ferrari following your gains from your channel. I've made 180,000 in the past 2 months. You can just see many reviews from my students. I'm up 450%, and these are the student reviews. I'm up 100,000, 109,000, and etc. etc. Check out those reviews and take the courses. I've got 8,051 followers on Twitter. I recommend you follow me on Twitter. These are some of the things that I've been sharing. These are some of the reviews from my students. This is a student going to take the crypto course. It will change your whole mentality about investing, about my crypto course. Thanks, James. Can't wait to buy your courses. Read about my students and what they're learning and all this kind of everything about them. And you can follow my trades. This was me calling Bitcoin and just all my students thanking me for Bitcoin. Nailed it yesterday. Impressive, amazing. Yes, baby. Jupiter back in Aquarius. Let's go 41,000. This was absolutely monster call because I called Bitcoin at 34,000 yesterday on target of 39,000. Purchase the course. Everyone, your fundamentals are solid. And this is just some reviews from my students, which is beautiful. And why you can use Twitter. This was me calling Bitcoin this was 9 hours ago, but 21 hours ago, this was me telling Bitcoin, saying Bitcoin was going to go from 34,000 to 39,000, which is beautiful. And what we can use Twitter for is we can type Tesla, and we can get all the major news for Tesla sorted by the most important news. So, Nikola Tesla, the Amazon pump will be bigger than the Tesla pump for Bitcoin. I agree. When Amazon starts accepting Bitcoin, my God. Tesla Q2 2020 earnings results, what to expect. Beautiful. Tesla Q2 earnings results will shed light on the status of Bitcoin and their stash on Bitcoin holdings, which is bullish. This was me tweeting. It comes up for Tesla for some reason. Tesla brand. Grimes is like posing for Tesla brand. Awesome. Big news coming up this earnings week. Want to congratulate Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla. It looks like they're going to have a stellar earnings. Elon Musk admit nano payments. Will try to buy one. Did nano something about SpaceX? This is Tesla's Elon Musk's wife, I think, or girlfriend. Another Tesla seen from inside a flooded highway in China. The Tesla just powering through the highway. Final chart for Tesla China. Tesla Model Y, Model 3 just selling like crazy. They had up to 30,000 sales in the month of June. Amazing. The earnings call, we have a big earnings week this week. We've got on Monday after the close, so today we've got earnings this week. We've got Tesla after the close today, everyone. Tesla after the close, and I think their earnings are going to be stellar. That's why I'm going to buy Tesla today before the earnings. I think they're going to have a stellar earnings. If it does drop on earnings, I'll buy more. Tuesday we have 3M, we have UPS, we have Apple on Tuesday, Alphabet, Microsoft, Visa. We have a big week this week. Teladoc, I'll make lots of videos on these earnings. Wednesday we have Boeing, which I love, Facebook, PayPal, Qualcomm, a lot of earnings week. So I'm going to make as many videos as I can before the earnings on all these different stocks, which is beautiful. Do you want Tesla to accept Doge? 78% of people said yes. Tesla testing out a prototype. Turns out Elon's online army isn't exactly volunteer. The aftermath of a 70-mile crash in Tesla Model 3. That they survived this crash, everyone. The Tesla cars have the safest ratings. So that's the major news for Tesla, everyone. That it doesn't seem like anything major except the earnings is coming up. Elon just tweeted 2 hours ago, we will try preferably for Tesla too, as long as lasts so long. Unlike other makers of cars, our goal is to not profit from service. Best service is not needing service in the first place. Amazing, beautiful Elon. His cars are just doing amazing. I'm not going to do the fundamentals because I will do it after the earnings, because the earnings will change the fundamentals. You can watch my previous Tesla video to see the fundamental analysis on Tesla. So thank you all for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned a lot here. This is James from Stock Guru. And yes, learn everything. Join my course. Take the Stock Guru Master Course, www.stockguru.us. Big congratulations to all of you who bought Bitcoin at the $29,000, 600 mark. If you followed the join button, just amazing. And have an amazing day. Let's make a lot of money in the markets. Take my courses, join my 2,000 other students, join the chat room, and have an amazing day. Let's make mega gains, and I'll see you again tomorrow.